you doing? But you're wondering if I had some time to spend. But that depends all on you. So what you wanna do? Tired of the games, I ain't got all day. Sweep you up off your feet, babe. That's your life without me. Got just what you need. Like a loaf of love.
Hello everyone, I hope that you're doing really well. I wanted to do my January reset today with you guys, and it's crazy because this is my January 2024 reset, which means that it's all over for 2023, which is just insane how fast the year passed this year. So if you've been watching my monthly resets over the last few months, you kind of know the drill now. So I wanted to go over my December goals with you so that we can see what I did and did not do. Let me just preface this by saying that December was a crazy month for me, and I really did not, I don't think, did a lot of my goals because it just was so busy, like especially work-wise and career-wise. So I was not home that much at all in the month of December. So I really am very nervous to go through my goals with you. But nonetheless, we are going to get it done. So I have my planner here, the Everyday Planner. And fun fact, this planner is completely finished and I will be starting a new one. So I will be starting the wildflower print, and I have it right here. So this is where my January reset goals will be. I will have all the details and review of this planner linked down below so you can check it out if you want to do monthly resets with me, or if you're looking for a really amazing 6-month planner. Since I'm going over my December goals, I thought it fitting to be in front of my Christmas tree, which is sadly soon coming down. This tree made me so happy this season. I would put it on every single evening after I came home from work, even if it was for a short time, and just seeing it gave me so much joy. But anyway, let's get into my review of my December goals. My first goal was to love all things Christmas, and I definitely did, and I did not think I would, but honestly when I got this tree I really started feeling that Christmas spirit. I was supposed to read a Sophie Kinsella book and I read nothing this month. I'm so ashamed. I wanted to do a gingerbread house, but instead I did like lots of other Christmas themed, holiday themed decor, like simmer pots, and had really nice displays out whenever people came out. I did not focus fully on a gingerbread house because it was just me and I really just did not have the time to commit to it. I ate pastels, like I literally just ate one this morning. Honestly, it's my favorite thing for Christmas. I wanted to bake Christmas cookies, and to be honest, I have everything to bake the Christmas cookies with, but I just have not done it as yet. But we're still in December, so there's still hope. I wanted to clean out my closet and thrift some items, so I did actually clean out some of the things in my closet, and I did thrift it at my thrift shop. I wanted to learn to use my iPad, which I did. I feel like if there's just so much more to learn with my iPad, but I've been getting the hang of it, and as such, you guys have been getting really cute things to download and use on your note-taking apps on your iPad, so I definitely plan on doing more. I wanted to watch a Netflix holiday movie, and I did. I think I watched Holidays in the Vineyard or something. I'll put it on the screen, but it was a really nice, the typical holiday movie. I wanted to go to a Christmas festival, which I did, and I just wanted to be thankful this month, and I surely was, because I felt like if I had such a rough start to the beginning of this year and coming down to the end of the year, I just could not ask for more in so many ways, and I truly feel thankful and I truly feel blessed because I just did not have all of these amazing plans or things to happen to me this year, and it really did. So I'm just really happy to close off this chapter of 2023. Also, I will just read over the quote for you guys for December, and it was, things you can always control: your thoughts, words, actions, attitude, focus, perspective, effort, and energy. And I just love having that every month where I could look at and be inspired by. So like I told you, that planner, which is the Daisy print, is finished. So I will be starting a new 6-month planner for 2024. And that is the Everyday Planner, which is this beautiful one with all of these really pretty patterns and florals on it. So it has more or less the same layout as you guys know. But what I will be doing in this planner with you guys today is setting up my dream board. So this is my dreams for this year, so I will be doing that with you guys, and of course I'll be using my In Your Dreams dream board magazine, which I will have the entire review and flip through linked down below, so you can go ahead and check it out. I love making physical dream boards. Digital is fun as well, but there's just something every time I open my planner and I see it, it makes me feel really inspired. And then we have the usual bucket list, which we're going to go through so that I can kind of set this planner up for 2024. So let's go ahead and do that. Before I share with you my January 2024 planner setup and goals, I wanted to share with you some new art that I got for my apartment. So as always, you know that I am so obsessed with Desenio. Every single piece of art from my apartment is from here. It is the perfect place to get all of the art pieces you need to stay inspired, especially for the new year if you want to change your space up. Desenio offers trendy, high quality Scandinavian prints and frames. And of course, I love their gold and white frames. I always have that. They have such great quality of frames. And what I love is that it is shatterproof acrylic glass, which means that even if your frame falls, it wouldn't crack. And of course, they have so many pieces of art that you can choose from. And as you can see this time, I did different prints that I usually do. I was choosing pops of color this time, so I did Pink is Perfection because you know that is my favorite color. And then I also did this Cosmopolitan one, which has this quote from Sex and the City, which is beyond iconic. I mean, I love Sex and the City. I also did frame my dream board with one of the gold frames from Desenio, so you could always check out their frames if you want to frame your dream board. I have a code down below that you can go ahead and check out, and you can get 45% off prints and 10% off frames from Desenio until January 18th. So if you really would like to have new art or even frame your dream board, you can go ahead and check them out. New year, new art, and now is the perfect time to change your space up.
Don't know what I'm feeling, don't know how to keep my thoughts straight, yeah. You got me second guessing, thinking that I made a mistake, but inside feels so nice. Butterflies, wow, yeah. Got me some type of way with every passing day. Don't let it go to waste. Don't know how much time we have, and it's so hard for me to say what's really on my mind. I hope someday you'll realize that I just want you by my side. No, I can't deny you're the one I'm missing. You help me get by. Don't really know you, but I feel like I do. Don't need a reason why, I just vibe with you. But I admit that I feel scared. Don't know what to do with emotions I can't use. All I know is nothing can compare, yeah. Got me some type of way with every passing day. Don't let it go to waste. Don't know how much time we have, and it's so hard for me to say what's really on my mind. I hope someday you'll realize that I just want you by my side.
I have just been setting up my planner for 2024, filling out the monthly dates like you saw, filling in the actual dates. So because it is undated, I go ahead and just fill in everything. And now I'm making my dream board. I just feel like if this is the most therapeutic thing, I love doing it. And like I told you guys, I love just really being inspired by it. So I feel like if you have a planner, it might be a good idea to just put in a page where you can have this kind of inspo and this kind of dream board, vision board, whatever you want to call it, so that you can always stay inspired. As always, everything will be linked down below, so you can go ahead and check it out if you would like to have like similar planners or even the In Your Dreams magazine that I'm using here.
underneath covering, wondering if your blush was made for me. Your eyes, ancient amber eyes, bright like forest fires, keep burning high in this fallow heart of mine. But I misread the room, I spoke too soon. You're all that I want, but you don't want me, do you? I hate this feeling, I hate that I lie, put on a smile, pretend I'm fine, but I'm the opposite of alright. I tug in my shirt sleeves, now your words come so scarcely. I was all and I'm see-through, and I don't know how to get over you. Walking halfway to your home, my muscles knew the comfort, now my bones feel the cold. Hanging at the corner of your road, I'm gone enough to be a ghost. My hand could knock right through your door. I hate this feeling, I hate that I lie, put on a smile, pretend I'm fine, but I'm the opposite of alright. I tug in my shirt sleeves, now your words come so scarcely. I was all and I'm see-through, and I don't know how to get over you. I could learn how to hate, I could dig my own grave, I could learn how.
Hello you guys, so I finished up my dream board in my planner, and I'm just gonna go through it really briefly with you guys. So I have the quote, your intentions create your reality and your thoughts become things. If you see it in your mind, you'll hold it in your hand, and I really loved that. And then I have like a little lady boss. I have something for Valentine's Day because I really want to do something with my friends. I want to get lots of flowers. I want to just have like fresh flowers around me that are cat friendly, obviously. And best summer ever. I want to do the cocktails like you guys know. Some of these might look a little bit similar to the ones that I have up here, which I did an entire video on, which I will leave in down below so you can go ahead and check those out. But I love having something in my planner so whenever I open it, I can be really inspired by it. Before I begin to share with you my goals, I just have to let you guys know how much things changed from when I wrote down these goals like a week ago and to now actually sharing with you what it is, because I have done so many things on my goal list and it's only the second week in January. So much can change in a few days or even a week. So let us talk about this month's bucket list. So on the list is love. So I wanted to love being spontaneous. I'm not a spontaneous person. You guys know I am a planner person. I love to know what is going on. I love to know what's happening. But in January, I was so spontaneous. Like I'm just like, who is she? Like who is this girl? And I just had really fun dates and just going out and really being spontaneous, I guess. So even though I'm not checking off my list right now, I'm just like reflecting on it as I'm going through it with you. So I wanted to read 10 minutes daily in January. I want to create, so I put build a puzzle. So I do have like a 500 piece puzzle that I'm really excited to start building. I want to eat lots of sushi. I want to cook, well, make cocktails this month. I want to do a 10-minute tidy daily. I want to have an indoor herb garden. So I have like this cute little trough. So I really want to do some reading on herbs that are obviously cat friendly and that can thrive on the indoor environment because it will be inside of my apartment. And so I do have really beautiful windows. So I just have to know where to position my herbs, which I'm really excited about. I want to watch Suits. I have been obsessed with Suits. I don't know how I've never watched this before, but it's so good. I'm really enjoying it, so I want to continue watching that out in January. I want to go for dinner dates because as you guys know, your girl is in her dating era right now. So I do want to go for dinner dates and just like spontaneous dates basically. And I just want to be present want this month in like everything that I'm doing. So those were my goals for January 2024. I am so interested to know what are some of your goals that you want to accomplish this month. If you want to do these monthly resets with me and have like these bucket lists, the link to my planner will be linked down below so you can go ahead and check it out. I'm just so excited for the start of this new year. I just cannot wait to see. And I'm just truly feeling like the magic of new beginnings. I love that quote, so I'm really like feeling it right now. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it was like kind of in parts, but I'm only now getting a chance to like really like figure myself out on my filming schedule now. So look forward to lots more stuff. And yeah, thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it and if you are excited for my full 2024 year of resets. Don't forget to also subscribe so you won't miss anything fun. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.